everyone, welcome again, and today in this video we will learn about VPC peering. So what is VPC peering? VPC peering is a connection in a networking connection between two VPC that enables you to route traffic between them using private IPv4 address. Instances in either VPC can communicate with each other as if they are within the same network. You can create a VPC peering connection between your own VPCs on within a VPC in another AWS account. So firstly we have to create VPC. I am in my Singapore region and I am creating my VPC. Firstly I am giving a name to my VPC, that is VPC1. So here I am giving a name to my VPC. Now next I am providing a CIDR here, it is 10.0.0/16. So next I am creating a subnet, then create subnet. So here in VPC ID I am giving my VPC that I made, and in subnet name giving a name to my subnet, that is subnet1. Next availability zone, in availability zone I am choosing app southeast 1A, and next in CIDR block I am writing CIDR, providing a CIDR here. Next I have to create subnet. Then click on create subnet. So next you have to select route table and then create route table, and I am giving a name here route table 1. So next you have to select your existing VPC. So here I am selecting my VPC and then create route table. So after clicking, it successfully made, and then internet gateway, you have to create a new internet gateway for your VPC, and I'm giving a name to my internet gateway IGW1 and creating internet gateway. So in route table you have to select your route table and then subnet association and edit subnet association. Then you have to select your existing subnet and select this subnet and then save association. Next go back to your internet gateway and select your internet gateway and attach with your VPC. So here I am providing my VPC and available VPCs, and then attach internet gateway with your VPC. Next I am making a EC2 instance. So here I am providing a name to my instance, that is EC1, EC21, and then selecting my operating system Ubuntu, and then you have to select your free tier operating its server and Ubuntu server 20.04 I select, and then I'm creating my key pair. So here I am creating a new key pair. So here again I am creating a key pair with the VPC1 and 2. So here I am giving a name to my key pair VPC 1 and 2. So by clicking create key pair, it's successfully created. And then in network setting you have to choose your VPC, that is VPC 1 and subnets. Next I'm clicking on auto assign public IP. I'm enabling this. Then create security group. So here I am editing something in type. I am editing all traffic instead of SSH. So here I am editing this to all traffic by clicking all traffic, and then it's done. Then you have to launch instance. Now click on view all instance, and you have it's showing your instance that newly created. So here instance state is pending. Now it's running. So I am creating here I am clicking on route table, and then route and edit route, then add route. So here I am adding my internet gateway route here. Internet gateway. So this is my internet gateway that I have created, and save changes. Next I am creating another VPC in another region, that is Mumbai region, and giving a name VPC2 to my VPC name. And here I am providing a CIDR, that is 20.0.0/16, and then create VPC. So my VPC is successfully made, and then I am creating a subnet. Same process like Singapore VPC. So here I am giving a name to my subnet, and then choosing availability zone, and here I am writing a CIDR, and this CIDR must be different. So the CIDR I am providing here is 20.0.1.0/24. So here I am selecting a wrong, and here I am editing this. This is my CIDR block, and then create subnet. Now next click on route table. Here I am creating a new route table in my new VPC2, and I am giving a name route table 2, then selecting my VPC here, then create route table. Next I am creating a firstly I have to select route table and associate with my subnet. Here after editing, goes to editing, and then subnet, choose your subnet and save association. And then I am creating an internet gateway and IGW2, and then create internet gateway. Next I am attaching this internet gateway with my VPC, that is VPC2. So I am selecting here and attach internet gateway. So this is successfully attached. Next go back to your route table and select your route table, and in routes you have to edit your routes. Click on edit routes. So firstly I am came inside my route table and route, edit routes and add routes. So here I am attaching my internet gateway like in previous VPC one. Save changes. So next I am creating a EC2 instance. Launch instance. So here I am clicking on launch instance. So here I am giving a name to my instance, that is EC2 2. Next I am selecting my OS. Now I am creating a new key pair in my Mumbai region. So you have to firstly select on create key pair and then key pair name you have to provide here VPC 1 and 2. As I already created VPC key pair with the same name, so I'm differentiating here with dot. Now in network I am editing my network setting so that I can provide VPC and subnet here. So by clicking on network setting, and here I am selecting my VPC 2 and then to assign IP enable, and here I am editing this to all traffic and anywhere, source type anywhere. Then launch instance, then view all instance, and you can see your newly created EC2 is showing here. Then I am connecting this instance. Now I am just writing a command like ping 8.8.8.8 to check whether it is accessible with the internet or not. So it's responding, so it is accessible with the internet. Next I am checking whether it is accessible with the my private internet IPv4 address or not of my Singapore instance. So here I am copying my Singapore instance, that is created in Singapore, and then I am copying this private IPv4 address and pasting it on my Mumbai instance, connected instance, and by writing command ping space and copying this address, and so it's not responding here, as you can see. Now next I'm connecting my second instance of my Singapore, and Again I am checking this, it is any connection build or not, it is accessible with the my private IPv address of my Mumbai or not. The same process I am connecting my instance, second instance. So I came inside my Singapore instance. So here I am, and with the help of sudo su I came inside my Ubuntu. I'm my root, and you can see it's responding again with the internet and with the private address it's responding or not. So I copy my private IPv4 address and pasting on my ping and pasting on this address, and you can see it's not responding here also. So next I have to build a connection pairing firstly, and then we can see it's responding or not, it's communicating or not. Pairing, VPC pairing will build or not. So next we have to build a connection. Now in VPC there is a pairing connection, you have to select and came inside, and here I am giving a name to my VPC, and then I selected my VPC1. Then there is option my account and another account. I am working on my account, so I selected my account. You also select another account with the next I am selecting my region and I select another account and selecting my region, and here in I have to provide a VPC ID, so I am copying this VPC ID and pasting on this VPC ID. So next create pairing. With the same process you have to make a pairing in your Mumbai also, and then I have to select on this pairing and then accept request and accept request. In availability zone you have to choose your availability zone, that is if in Mumbai you have to choose your Singapore, and in Singapore you have to choose your Mumbai region. And here I am giving a name to my pairing connection, that is VPC pairing 1. And in route table you have to edit your routes also. So here I am editing my routes by clicking on edit routes, and so in route table you have to click on route table 1 and then routes, and then you have to click on edit routes, and here I am adding my routes. So here I am selecting pairing connection and then save changes. After that I am also editing my route in Mumbai region also. So here I'm clicking route table and edit routes. And my pairing connection. And then save changes. So that's all done. Now I'm testing my EC2 instance. Is there any connection build, any pairing, VPC pairing build or not? So here I am connecting my instance of my Mumbai region, and so I am copying my IPv4 address private and connecting my instance. Now here I came inside my instance and then sudo su, and I came inside my root, and so here I am writing a command that is ping, and copying my Singapore instance private IPv4 address and pasting on here. So you can see it's responding and it's communicating with my Singapore instance. Both VPC will communicating. Now next I am testing my VPC on my EC2 second instance. So here I am copying my IPv4 private address and came inside my this zone and connecting my Singapore instance. So here I came inside my Ubuntu, and now with the help of sudo su I am in root and then applying ping and pasting this address here, and as you can see this is my Mumbai private address, and here it's responding. So my both VPC pairing is successfully done, and it's communicating in both end. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.